Hello guys, so today I'm gonna do a affordable makeup look for college girls. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, first of all, we are going to prep our face with BB cream. This is the Garnier BB cream. I actually love this one because this is really affordable for us college going girls and awesome. I'm not using any moisturizer before this because it's really humid outside and we don't need to sweat, right? So I'm just like, if you are a dry skin person, you need to use moisturizer. First I'm gonna just dot my face with this BB cream. Now I've applied BB cream and this is like my after BB cream fade. Now I'm going on, I will take like a little more BB cream, not much, but you know, a drop of it, not more than a drop. Take the same amount of moisturizer and just mix it well. Now right now I don't have a white one, but I would recommend you to take a white one. Now after mixing this, you're gonna just apply it under your eyes to hide your dark circles, and we are actually using it as a concealer. I'm not making any kind of triangle or anything because we just want to hide the dark circles. And I'm going a little bit on eyelid, like really little. Now I'm gonna blend this really nicely. Next I'm gonna use this Lakme Perfect Radiance Compact as my face powder. Now I'm gonna take the same sponge which is present here in this. Okay, so now we're going on with eyeliner. Today I'm using this Maybelline Hyper Matte liner. This is black in color. Like in the college we have quite a busy day and quite a hectic day. For that time we need a good eyeliner which works for a long time. So this is the one and I'm gonna use it. This is quite affordable, just for $325. So guys, done with my eyeliner. Now I'll go with a nice mascara. This is the Maybelline Volume Express mascara and this is a waterproof mascara, so that is like awesome for college going girls. So for blush I am using this Miss Claire lip gloss or lip cream, and I'm just gonna take a bit on my hand and now I'll pick the quantity which I'll need. I'm picking very much, very little, and I'll go on my, actually not going much on my cheek because we need a really simple look for our college. So this is like the natural kind of blush. Now I'll do something for my lips. Now first of all I'm applying a lip balm. I'm gonna apply a nice lipstick. I really try to go with nude colors in my college to look simple and not really extravagant. So this is the color which I'll apply today, and actually I'm in love with this lipstick. Now this is the Glamcom lipstick in shade 232. So I'm complete with makeup look, and now I'll go with my hair. So now this hairstyle is actually for us college going girls because it's really simple. I just combed my hair. I just brushed my hair actually. So now you can use whatever you use, okay? Whatever you prefer. Now what I'm doing with this is I just side parted my hairs. take two sections from the front like this. Now I'll do the first section over the second section. I'll take some more hair, I'll include some more hair in my second section, and I'll do it over the first section. Now I'll take some more hair in first section, I'll do it over the second section, and the same process will be applied till the end. This is really easy and it actually takes 2 minutes to do this hairstyle. It's not a bit it's not difficult one. You just have to do like with the first section you have to include some hair, and then you go over the second section. Then with the first section you have to include some, now with the second section you have to include some hair. Then you have to go over the first section. Now the same thing you repeat till the end. Now after doing this, I'm gonna rope braid this thing, the downwards portion. Rope braid is like first section over the second section, first section over the second section. It looks quite pretty. After braiding it till little extent, now I just take my hair on one side and I'll pin this with my hairs. Like this. I've taken a bobby pin and I pinned it. To secure it, I also used a tic tac pin. Now what I'll do is, I just brushed my hair, combed my hair once again, and now what I'll do is that this section at the down, I'm just going to simply rope braid this. So guys, this is the look which I came up with. Hairs are all tied back and it's pretty simple and quite quick doing look. So if you like this look, do give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any queries. So that's it for my video guys. We'll meet next time in my next video. Bye bye. Lots of love.